So we decided to put we taped a 1.5 ounce mortar to the dart, to a broken fin dart, and with about a 10-second fuse. And we are sighted. Alright, well, let me sight down this and look at some stuff.
You should go get your glasses, Robert.
Oh yeah, I need my glasses. Yeah, I need to. Right here, hold that. I'm gonna aim. I like that. Alright. Sighted right there. And right there. And we're about to do something fun. Alright.
Wait till this goes.
He's not leaving. Okay.
So as soon as you're out of the way,
As soon as I'm gonna light it, and it's gonna be kind of hard in the wind.
hold up.
All right.
Okay. Good.
Everything clear? Everything's clear?
Yep.
Send it. Uh-oh, shit. Woo! Oh, it fell out. Something happened. You jerked. It jerked. But it still went.
I thought it dropped it in the ground.
I did too. I was running. Wow, and I didn't video any of it. Oh shit. We gotta do that again. I did, but I was running. We'll make it go a little bit higher. I shortened the sling. That'll make it go a little bit higher. I'll leave the pin where it's at. All right, shot 2 with Daniel Bertrand. We have the big fin dart. I removed the cradle to do what we needed it to do, so the dart didn't fall out when he launched it. And I think we're cock locked and loaded and ready. All right. I don't think we're gonna catch much of the flight. I don't know. We'll see. All right. You want to do it, or you want me? Oh, let me check the sighting. Oh, it's way off. Still way off. That's better. About 4 feet off the road at 1,000 feet. Out. Okay, we're ready. As soon as I light it, send it. Time out.
So you want me to send it even before you climb down?
No, no.
Oh.
Same as last time. Here we go. Dude. Oh yeah.
Yeah! Woohoo! The dart's coming down. Right in the grass. I was like right at the apex.
That was perfect, right?
That was good.
That was perfect. Holy crap. That's a first right there. We're gonna go get the darts.
I was like right at the apex. That's good. I can't believe that thing looks still intact. You could still shoot it.
2 feet offline. I was aiming 4 feet offline. Yeah, that can go again. Oh, that's the little fin one. That's the first one.
Really?
This is the first one.
Wow. I could have sworn that was the big
But
one.
that's where I was aiming for the other one too. It's
The big one's got to be right in here somewhere too then.
yeah. That was a better throw though, so it's further.
Oh, no way. I might see it. You see that? I'm not sure if that's it yet. It's past the pole. Oh no, that's freaking it, dude. It's past that pole.
Wow. That's over 1,000 feet.
I guess I kind of thought they would explode or something, but it's like it just kept on going.
It just kept going. And going. And going.
That's a good
And
angle.
going.
It's buried in there. Oh.
Did it spin? Hold on. Don't move. Don't move it. Where's the pin?
This was the top.
There's the pin at the bottom. No rotation.
It didn't even spin.
It didn't spin. No spin.
The thing's totally wrong. I don't know if it's in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's something.
No, it blew up. That shit's gone.
Can't see in
No, there's something in there. I
there.
saw something
There's
green down in
something
there.
green in there, yeah.
Wow. Now we used a mortar, the little
Technique.
firecracker fireworks.
The reason I ask, you got families across the road here. If y'all are shooting, you might
No, sir.
want to find someplace else.
No, they're mortars. They're the little 1.5 ounce mortar rounds that you shoot out of the tube.
Okay, man.
Taped them to the front. They were way up there.
Okay, but it makes a pretty loud report, and I'm a vet, so it kind of put me on edge.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Long time gone Vietnam, but I still.
All right. Yes, sir. But it's okay though, right? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's all
Out of
right.
that little trebuchet. That's over a 1,000-foot shot.
You got a trebuchet?
Yes, sir.
Motherfucker, I respect you a little bit more now.
I have like 30 of them.
Yeah,
I'm the state champ pumpkin chunker. I hold a bunch of records. I've got 5 division
Shit
championships.
out there when they did the trebuchet competition.
Where?
The
In,
Renaissance Festival, man.
no, I haven't been to the Renaissance yet.
Dude.
I've never been to the Renaissance, but I just came back from the fireball shoot, the Texas Trebuchet
Yeah?
fireball shoot
Where's that happen?
in Dale, outside of Dale, out in Lockhart, Texas.
Okay.
Show 'em the video.
Yeah. Bye, everybody.